The Fragment X Nike Book 2 Black is set to join Devin Booker's signature lineup with a clean and restrained approach. Expected to arrive on February 12, the release continues Fragment's history of subtle collaborations rooted in simplicity rather than loud branding. The sneaker features a mostly black upper that keeps the look sleek and versatile, while a crisp white swoosh adds contrast and visual balance. Royal blue accents appear on the outsole, delivering a quiet pop of color inspired by classic Nike basketball heritage. Branding is intentionally minimal, with fragment details placed discreetly to complement the overall design. On the performance side, the Nike Book 2 focuses on stability, court feel, and quick responsiveness. The low-profile construction supports sharp cuts and controlled movement, matching Booker's precise playing style. Structured cushioning and reliable traction are built for consistent performance during game action.